I'm Chef Colleen, co-author of the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide with Dr. John Poothullil. And today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe from this book called Yummy Chickpea Salad in a Pita Pocket. And we've got all of our ingredients ready here, so come join me in the kitchen.
So we start by draining a can of chickpeas and rinsing it, and then adding the chickpeas to some water and warming it up to a simmer. Drain the water and mash the chickpeas partially. Some of the skins will come off and you can take those out. It's easier on digestion, but you don't have to take them out. Then we dice some celery very finely so we don't have too large pieces of celery. And also we're going to grate some carrot. And then about half of a red onion. And you want to dice it pretty finely because you don't want to have a big chunk of raw onion when you're having the salad. So nice small pieces, and then some fresh parsley. And we're going to add all the ingredients together in a bowl. Celery, carrots, onions, and parsley. Then we take about a tablespoon of some Dijon mustard, a few tablespoons of mayonnaise or vegan mayonnaise, a squeeze of some fresh lemon, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together till it's well combined. There you have your chickpea salad. We're going to take some of our Pita Pockets we made earlier, slice them in half, add some lettuce and tomato, and then fill it with a chickpea salad, and voila.
So here we have our finished chickpea salad. I'm serving it in a grain-free Pita Pocket, which the recipe is also in the book, and that's gluten-free. They're delicious, they're really easy to make. And this is a nutritious protein meal that will not raise your blood sugar. It'll help keep your blood sugar low, and great for diabetics, pre-diabetics, or anyone trying to work with their blood sugar. Thanks for watching.